Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using a setting, or not settings, but the home screen as a showcase for this. And once your content is open and visible, like my home screen, all you need to do is press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. Or just press, apparently. Yep, it looks like we just click them both at the same time. As you can see, this will capture a screenshot and give us a couple options. So those options, oops, let's try it again. So those options were edit, tag, and share. Now, the screenshots that we have captured can be found in our gallery application. Once we open that, you should be able to see them under the pictures, and also if you navigate to albums, it will be sorted into a screenshot album, which you can see right over here, which obviously will contain only screenshots. So there are two screenshots. So anyway, that is how you can capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.